our class together with me. I am so excited as today we have an awesome song called PATE PATE, which is about the vibrant Polynesian drums from the awesome group VAKA. Okay, so before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button below and thank you for your support. Now let's get dancing. Hands on the hips, and then we are going to extend like this. Hands around your mouth, and we're going to say away to the right, away to the left. Okay? Again, so we go away, away. And then from there, hands on the hips, stay 8 counts, fist closed. Yeah, and then from there, I'm going to walk. It's going to go right, left, my hands are following, right, left, and I'm gonna go on my left side, your left, and I'm gonna drum 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, I just hit my thigh like it's a drum, okay, and then I come back, and I'm gonna walk again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from there, I'm going to go to my right side, your right. And I'm staying here and I pose. I just pose my 2 hands. And I have a back straight. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, hey, away, away. And then from there, stay 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, I walk 2, 3, 4. I drum 2, 3, 4. I walk 2, 3, 4. I stay 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it for the intro. Let's go with the hips and the feet. It goes like this. So I'm here, hands on the hips, boom. And then I go away, right foot to the front. Look at my back leg, it's extended. Okay, and then I turn to my left, here. From there, I go hands on the hips. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. I walk this side. Right, left, right, pose. Your left foot here. And I drum 2, 3, 4. And I come back. And I go right, left, right. Pose here with your right leg. Point, hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I come to the front. Okay, one last time. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Away, away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drums. 1, 2, 3, tap 2, 3, front. Yes. Next step, we are going to go like this. We go up, down. Show me it goes to your right. Right side, left side. Okay? Right side, left side. Very good. From there, express from your heart. Express here. Okay, so I'm here again. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, open here. Boom. From there, hands down, and I twist. 1, 2, right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So with the hips, it goes like this. I'm here, I just finished my tap, and I go hop, express the joy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tama. 5, 6, 7, 8. From the varu, twist like a figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heart. 6, 7, 8. Twist. 2, 3. Dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? The next step is going to be like this. It's going to go away, away. Yeah? The next step is going to be like this. Away, away. Stay, stay. Yeah, so the boys are dancing. Okay, so right, left, stay, stay. Next, the girls, right, left, above head, drop, and show yourself. Okay, and then right, left, behind the ears, stay there, elbows up. Last one, right, left, hands up. And I'm going to make a round to my right, back. And I'm going to make a round to my left, back, back. Okay, so again, one more time. Ready? Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Away, away. Good boys, good boys. Away, away. The girls, the ladies. Away, away. Together. Away, away. Getting dancing. Okay, everybody is dancing and partying. Alright? So with the hips, it goes like this. I'm here and I go point. Okay, let me show you to the front. Point your foot, tap. Okay, just tap to the front. Away, away. We point at every away. So it goes away, away, bow deep, open, close. Let me show you here. Open, close. Yes, so I'm here and I go away, away, 1, 2. Okay, 2 bow deep for each. From there, away, away, ami, ami. Make your circle. 2 rounds. Away, away. From here, I stay and I go hands behind the neck and I twist, varu, varu, varu. Last, away, away. I turn to my left. I do this motion from back, and I go left, left. Okay, one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Away, away, boys, boys. Away, away, girls, girls. Away, away, together, twist. Away, away, turning, turning. I hope you had lots of fun with me together. So please feel free to check all my other classes. I have classes online, and if you haven't done so yet, click on the subscribe button, share, and support my channel. Thank you so much to all of you. I look forward to see you on our next class, and never forget, you are amazing. Big